How to fix sound not working on Android. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily check if your sound is not working on your Android phone. So let's just get right into it. So the very first and obvious thing to do is check your volume sliders. So press the volume button at the side. You can find your volume sliders over here. Tap on the three dots to bring out more menu, including your ringtone, your AI assistant voice, then your notification sound, and your system sounds as well. Since my D&D is turned on right now, I'm not able to toggle my system sounds, but you basically have to make sure your media sound is turned up all the way. Even if your media sound is turned up all the way, you're still facing the issue with your volume. In that case, you need to check if your device is connected to a Bluetooth or not. Swipe down on your notification panel, tap on the Bluetooth icon, and check if it's connected to anything. If not, you can just turn off your Bluetooth, tap on done, and then basically try to play whatever you're trying to play again. After doing so, you need to check your sound settings. Go over to settings menu, then go ahead and find sound settings. So I'll just scroll down, tap on sounds and vibration. Then make sure that this is not turned to mute. Make sure the sound is turned on. And then you want to go over to sound quality and effects. Then from here, you can go to equalizer, make sure it's good. If you don't have the settings, you might find something similar to this. So what I'm going to do is here, go to volume, check all of the sliders again, and you're going to be okay. The final step is to check your speakers level. So it might be different depending on the version you have. I'm currently using a Samsung device, but it might be on a different menu for your phone. I'm going to go to accessibility, then tap on hearing enhancements, and you'll find your left-right audio balance. So that is basically it, guys. You can also check your physical hardware if there is any dust or debris stuck to your speaker, and make sure your phone cover is not blocking your speaker as well. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.